Hi guys, I'm back to my favorite place, IKEA again. Correction, my mom's favorite place. So in today's video, I'm just going to cover whatever new additions that I found in IKEA as well as some of their sale items and just give you an overall tour of how exactly it is now. Not a lot has changed, but it does have a few new additions and I made some new observations, so I just thought I'll show you guys that. I was in the restaurant, by the way, having my coffee, and I was pretty surprised that it was actually still crowded. I was expecting with the pandemic there'll be a lot lesser people, but anyway, starting off with the new additions. So something new that I observed compared to my previous visit to IKEA was that there were a lot of boards that said made in India. So I guess this is like a collaboration where a lot of Indian goods and items were being sold in IKEA, which I thought was really interesting. Also, I was able to see a lot of children books and a lot of kids related items, which I think I didn't observe before, like stationery items, play toys, things like that. Also, they had a huge sale in the month of July and August, so I also saw a lot of newspaper ads related to a lot of their prices being slashed. So some of them were, of course, the furniture items, and a lot of home decor items were also on sale. They had some new edition items too, but I am obsessed with their room decor. Like, I just love the bedroom ideas, the furniture for the bedroom more than anything else. So this is just going to be like an overall tour showing you guys some of the bedrooms. And if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, my account is Jyotsna Makes Reels, and I made this really cool reel featuring all the IKEA rooms. So you can check that out and follow me on Instagram. Okay, so moving on to the things that I loved at IKEA. First of all, their lighting section was glowing. I really loved the whole concept of bed lighting with like cute characters like a dog, a panda face, and there was also something like a football. All of those were super cute. And also last time they used to not give the bulb along with the light. You had to go and purchase it separately. But luckily now you can actually purchase it right at the IKEA store. You can just ask for the kind of bulb and they'll give it to you. The furniture area, I really like this pink drawer sort of a thing. It was super cute, and also their throw pillows and cushions are super comfy. This black jug was super cute, looked very classy, and they also had a lot of storage organization items which were really nice and interesting. This is probably my most favorite purchase at IKEA. I'll make a detailed IKEA haul video as well to show you all the things that I purchased, but this was really cute. Of course, I love food, so I had to go visit the restaurant and have my favorite meal as usual. So I usually take the meatball course, but this time I tried something different. I took the chicken tikka with rice along with chicken nuggets. So moving on to the next category, which is the under $4.99 category. I found some interesting items in this category as well, and there were a lot of cool items below 100 as well. So I've covered a few of them that I thought were really nice and things that I found interesting. So have a look. today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and for joining me on this IKEA trip. Enjoy this mini footage of me helping my mom out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also give this video a thumbs up to support and encourage me to make more videos. Lots of love, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.